In a realm of enchantment and ancient glory, the grand castle Eldoria stood as a symbol of hope and strength. Its towering spires and fortified walls had withstood the test of time, guarding the kingdom from countless threats. But as darkness began to creep over the land, a new and formidable enemy emerged, threatening to engulf the realm in chaos. It was said that in the deepest shadows of the forbidden forest, a dark sorcerer named Malakar had awakened an army of vile creatures. His goal was clear: to seize Castle Eldoria and claim the power hidden within its sacred halls. The kingdom's once peaceful days were now overshadowed by fear and uncertainty. The royal court, desperate to protect their home, called upon 4 extraordinary heroes, each a beacon of strength and valor. First among them was Seraphina, a warrior of unparalleled skill and unwavering courage. Known across the land for her legendary swordsmanship, Seraphina had trained her entire life for moments like these. Her armor, gleaming under the sun, was adorned with intricate engravings that told tales of past victories. Her fierce determination and battle-hardened experience made her the natural leader of this heroic quartet. Joining her was Elara, a sorceress of great renown. Elara was not only a master of elemental magic but also a sage with deep knowledge of ancient spells and arcane lore. Her flowing robe sparkled with enchantments, and her staff was a conduit for her incredible power. Elara's spells could summon firestorms, create protective barriers, and heal the wounded, making her an invaluable asset in any conflict. The third member of the team was Sir Roland, a knight whose reputation as a tactician was unmatched. Clad in heavy armor and bearing a shield emblazoned with his family crest, Sir Roland had led many campaigns with wisdom and precision. His strategic mind was key to organizing the kingdom's defenses and ensuring that every soldier fought with purpose and direction. Finally, there was Kael, a rogue with unmatched agility and stealth. Known for his ability to blend into shadows and strike with deadly accuracy, Kael was a master archer whose arrows never missed their mark. His expertise in reconnaissance and covert operations made him the perfect scout and assassin, capable of infiltrating enemy lines and gathering crucial intelligence. As the dark forces began their advance, the sky above Castle Eldoria darkened with ominous clouds. Malakar's army, a horde of grotesque creatures and twisted beasts, marched relentlessly toward the castle. The ground trembled with their approach, and the air was filled with the sounds of their menacing roars. Seraphina, Elara, Sir Roland, and Kael gathered in the castle's great hall, where the weight of their mission hung heavy. With a unified resolve, they prepared for the impending assault. Seraphina's voice, filled with resolve, reassured her comrades as they donned their gear and took their positions. The battle began as the first wave of enemies crashed against the castle's walls. Seraphina led the charge, her sword flashing in the dim light as she engaged the enemy forces with precision and fury. Her bravery inspired the defenders, rallying them to fight with renewed vigor. Meanwhile, Elara stood atop a high tower, her hands weaving intricate patterns as she cast powerful spells.